I'm going to show you how I got this really sultry makeup look. It's more of a soft glam, but perfect for Valentine's Day or a party, date night, whatever. So keep watching to learn how I got this. And I'm going to be reviewing some clean products that I used. We're doing a glam look today with a bunch of new clean products that I picked up from Sephora. We're gonna test out the Cali Ray setting spray, Clean AF, lip plumper from Lawless, and then the Liss Beauty matte cream blush. Trick to make your foundation and face products go on really smooth is by applying setting spray before. Usually I use the MAC Fix Plus, but we're gonna test out this. So this is the Cali Ray Surf Proof Setting Spray. Long wear performance, hydration, skin recovering seawater minerals, niacinamide, and transdermal magnesium. And then it says shake well to activate. It smells nice. To prime our skin, we're going to use the Cali Ray So Blown Primer. And I usually just put this on my T-zone, where I tend to have larger pores and might get a little bit more oily. I've already tried this a bunch of times and I love it. Okay, so while that's all soaking in, we're gonna do our eyes. We're gonna do kind of a soft, sultry Valentine's Day look. And we're gonna prep our eyes with the Huda Beauty Faux Filter concealer, and I'm using the shade Cotton Candy. So I usually just put it on the back of my hand. And then we're gonna set it with the Huda Beauty Pound Cake powder. And we're gonna use mainly the MAC palette. Oh, this is the Semi-Sweet Times 9 eyeshadow palette. First, I'm just going in with this color, like a nude. Putting that all over the eyelid. And then we're gonna go in with this like gray shade. It's really light. So you can really see the eyeshadow. And then we're gonna go in with like almost a darker gray shade. It's this one. And then we're gonna do a wing with eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go into the black. And then it's kind of a smoky wing, so I'm just kind of pushing it up. All right, and then we're going to go back in with the nude shade. Going back in with this color. I don't know why the eyeshadow's a little patchy. We're gonna use these Kiss lashes. They're the Bare Affair. We have our lashes on. Just gonna clean up the under eye. And then we'll come back to finish the eyes at the end. So if you want to skip ahead, I have the section listed below. Okay, we're using the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and this is in shade 2. And I'm just gonna put this on the high points. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the Sephora Best Skin Ever. And we're gonna put some concealer on. My skin is a little dry. I had a few too many margaritas last night. To help fix that problem, we're gonna use this again. And to contour, we're gonna use the Tarte Sculpt Tape in Cool Bronze, although it's not really cool. This is more of a bronzer for my skin tone. You always want to put your bronzer and contour up or push it up. You don't ever want to drag it down. We're gonna try the Liss Beauty, and this is supposed to be a matte cream blush. Ooh, look at that color. Oh my gosh, okay. So we'll go in with my finger first. So just go like this. And this is the color. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna do one side with my finger, which I find doing cream blush really easy with, especially if it's not super creamy. This one seems pretty creamy, but then usually what I do is after I put it on my cheek, I just go in with a brush and just kind of push it in. Really, really pretty. Okay, and then the other way to put it on, you can either use a beauty blender or kind of like a firm brush like this. I'd probably use, yeah, like this. Let's see. This is the BH Cosmetics 4 brush. So then what I do is just kind of stamp it, the product. So yeah, for this blush, you definitely don't need to use your finger unless you want to, but you can use a brush. Let's read the claims on it too. So it helps reduce appearance of pores and limit excess shine. Then they have avocado oil, which penetrates to lock in lasting hydration, and vitamin E to help calm and soothe. I already like it. And I find it's a little bit more affordable than some of the other clean products at Sephora. Some of them are pretty pricey, but this was only 16 bucks. So I feel like some of the drugstore cream or blushes, like I think the Milani, that's either 7 or 10 or something. So it's not even that much more. Then we're gonna bronze. This is an old Marc Jacobs bronzer. I just love the color, especially when I'm really fair. And this is my winter skin, so. But they don't make it anymore. A trick I do, if you want kind of like a glow from within, I put the blush under my bronzer, and especially cream blush, and it looks really nice. It looks like you're just really healthy. And if you don't set the Huda Beauty concealer, it creases, at least on me, like pretty bad too. Snatching the nose a little bit. Okay, so the bottom is very simple. I haven't worn black on the inside of my eyes in so long. So I'm gonna go in with this color. I wanna make it a tiny bit darker on the outer edge, so I'm gonna use this gray color. I'm going in with the ColourPop Lunch Money. I like this. It's soft, it's still smoky. Then we're gonna use the Lawless. This is in the color Daisy Pink. It's really pretty. Set my face one more time. Okay, and then I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be right back. Okay, I did my hair, a little curly, half up, and so I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on all the clean products that I just bought. So the Lawless, Forget the Filler, I got the shade Daisy, and I like it. I really like the color. It's kind of cooling. It doesn't like tingle or burn your lips at all. I'll have to try it like one side with the lip gloss on and one not, and see like if it really does plump my lips, but it definitely makes them really hydrated and they look smooth, so I like that. And then the Cali Ray Surf Proof setting spray. I really like it. It's definitely hydrates your skin. My skin's dry since I had a few drinks last night, and then it smells really good, and I'll just have to see how it lasts throughout the whole day. And then for the blush, I'm in love. I love this blush. It's so pretty. It's pigmented, like, I don't know, it's very, very flattering, and it's huge. I mean, you get so much product. Oh, sorry, this is the shade Humble. I think I said the wrong one before. These products definitely worked out for me. And then I also did the Cali Ray primer, which I know I like anyways, but I need to get some more like clean foundations and eyeshadow. So if you guys have any recommendations on those products that are clean, let me know. If you want to know more info on any of the other products, just comment below. Make sure to subscribe and give it a like if you like these kinds of videos.